In this video, we're going to be taking a look at equations in point-slope form, and this is going to be the second part of our discussion. So now I want to take a look at graphing equations in point-slope form. And again, you want to identify your slope and your point, because that's what point-slope form is all about. So we know that the slope is going to be attached to parentheses, so in this case, it's going to be 3 over 4. Okay? And it passes through the point. Remember, take the opposite of what you see here, -3 for your x and +1 for your y. Okay, so step 1 says to plot the point. So I'm going to start at -3, +1, which is right here. It's better. And then step 2 is you're going to use the slope to find your second point. So slope is 3 over 4. So rise over run, we're going to go up 3. Remember, 3 units up and 4 units to the right. All right, 3 units up, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be our second point. You want to connect both. Draw your arrows, extend your lines, and there you go. All right, now we could look at this in a reverse type of thinking. I can give you a graph, and you're going to have to write an equation that's in point-slope form. So again, you want to use what you know. In step 1, we have 2 points, so you want to find the slope. Whenever you're given 2 points, you have to subtract the difference or take the difference from your y's and then put them as a ratio over the difference of your x's. So 3 minus 0 over 2 minus a -2. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus -2 is +4. So your slope is 3 over 4. Okay. Now in this case, it says to identify the rightmost point. You have an option. You can pick either or, but if it specifies, you should really use the one that it specifies. So in this case, we're going to use 2, 3 for x and y. Okay, so y minus your y1, which is going to be 3. Slope is 3 over 4 times x minus the x1, which is 2. And we identified the rightmost point being as 2, 3. It's the point that's closest to the right side. And this is your equation. All right. Finally, you're going to be given 2 ordered pairs without a graph. Again, you want to find the slope. So subtract your y's and then subtract your x's. In this case, it says use the first point to write the equation, which is going to be 2 over 3. So y minus our y, which is 3, that's equal to our slope times x minus our x1, which is 2. And this is going to be your equation in point-slope form.